Hi, welcome to Tool Spec. Check out those new Olsa tool plier wrench. They're 10-inch long. You press the button on the side here and you can adjust them up and down like this. The advantage that they have is they stay straight all the time. It doesn't matter of how you're opening the angle here. So what's happening, it won't slip on hardware like this. And I'll show you something. Put this bolt as tight as we can in here. That should be tight enough. Oh, another neat thing too is there's the measurement for your hardware. This is in matrix on this side, and this is in standard on that side. Cute. And check this out. Twisting it right on the vise, and I haven't slipped yet. Those are very strong. You know what? Let's see if I can lift myself with it. I have to hold myself up. Bet I can do it on this side. What do you think of those pliers? Are they strong enough for you? Like always, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We got a lot more review video coming up. See you in the next one.